Hello students, today let us see a problem from the topic normal forms under the subject discrete mathematics. Let me read the problem first. We are given a statement formula P conditional R and negation P conditional by conditional Q, and we are supposed to express the PDNF and PCNF of the given statement formula without using truth table. First of all, remember all the equivalence laws we studied earlier in the earlier videos. First, let me start with the given statement formula P conditional R and negation P by conditional Q. Now, P conditional R, I write it as it is. What is the definition for biconditional? A biconditional B. A conditional B and B conditional A. This is the definition for biconditional. Let me use it. And what is the equivalence law for conditional equivalence? P conditional connective. P conditional Q is equivalent to negation P or Q. Let me apply these conditional equivalence here. P conditional R, negation P or R. And negation P conditional Q, negation of negation P or Q. And Q conditional negation Q or negation P. This negation of negation P by double negation P. And let us use the commutative law and change the order. Negation P or negation Q. Now, if you look at the terms, each term is in two variables, but either max term or min term if you take, each max term or each min term should have all the three variables. So we should add the missing variable. So in the first term, Q is missing. Second and third term, R is missing. So I am going to add. But I cannot add as it is. So if I take a number A, with A we have to add 0 only to make the same value. Here addition is identified with disjunction. 0 is identified with false statement F. So with each term I am going to add F, add 0. F I am going to add. By adding F, we don't the value will not change by identity law. Now each F I am going to replace it with missing variable, and we know that P and negation P is F, Q and negation Q is F, R and negation R is F. So F I am going to replace with missing variable. First term I am going to replace it Q and negation Q. Second term I am going to replace it with R and negation R. Third term I am going to replace it with R and negation R. Now negation P you multiply inside this bracket. Multiplying inside the bracket, when I colloquially say, it is nothing but distributive law. So negation P or Q or R and will come outside. Negation P or negation Q or R. Similarly, P or Q or R and will come outside. P or Q or negation R. And similarly, negation P or negation Q or R and will come outside. Negation P or negation Q or negation R. This is the expansion using distributive law. Now I shall apply idempotent law. Idempotent law is nothing but avoiding repetition. If you look at this term, negation P or negation Q or R, it is appearing twice. So we shall write it only once, that's enough. That is the idempotent law. So these 6 terms are reduced to 5 terms. Negation P or negation Q or R is written only once. Now if you look at this expansion, it is nothing but product of max terms. Product of max terms is known as PCNF. So PCNF of the given statement formula is derived. Now to derive the other format, let us use the result. What is that result? If a statement formula has the 5 max terms, then negation of that statement formula will have remaining 5 max terms. So remaining 3 max terms. So look at that. I have put dot against the max terms appearing in the given statement formula. So negation P or Q or R, that is appearing, so I put a dot against it. Negation P or negation Q or R. Negation P or negation Q or R, I put a dot. P or Q or R, I put a dot. P or Q or negation R, I put a dot. Negation P or negation Q or negation R, I put a dot. So these are the 5 max terms appearing in the given statement formula. So the remaining 3 max terms, what I put tick, are appearing in the negation of the given statement formula. So these are the remaining 3 max terms. Product of the remaining 3 max terms will appear in the negation of the given statement formula. Now I am going to take negation both sides. When I take negation on the left hand side, by double negation I will give the original statement formula yes, and here I am going to apply De Morgan's law. Negation will adjoin if it is not appearing earlier. Negation will be removed if it appears earlier. And similarly R connective will be changed to AND connective. AND connective will change to R connective. So negation P and Q and negation R, this is the first term. AND connective will become R connective. Similarly, the remaining terms will appear using De Morgan's law. And look at this expansion. This is sum of min terms. So this format is PDNF, principal disjunctive normal form of the given statement formula. With this, the problem is over. Let us see another problem in the next video. Thank you.